In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shein website and make a purchase with ease, even taking advantage of express shipping options when available. These steps are designed to guide you smoothly through the process, making your online shopping experience quick and efficient. First, let's take a moment to access the Shein website. Go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. Simply type in shein.com in the search bar and hit enter. This will bring you directly to the home page of Shein, which is renowned for its wide array of fashionable and affordable clothing options. If you've landed on the home page, you're in the right place to begin your shopping journey. Now that you're on the Shein website, it's time to browse and select a product that catches your eye. You'll find a varied selection of categories ranging from women's and men's apparel to shoes and accessories. Take your time scrolling through the curated selections or use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. Once you find a product that you like, click on it to view more details. Here, you can see a variety of options such as sizes, colors, and sometimes customer reviews, which can be incredibly helpful in making your decision. Once you're satisfied with your choice, add it to your shopping bag. This is as simple as clicking the Add to Bag button located prominently on the product page. With your desired item added to the bag, it's time to proceed to checkout. Click on your shopping bag icon, usually at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to a new page where you can review your items and make any last-minute changes if necessary. Under all your selected products, you'll find an option to move on to the checkout process. Click that, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can fill in the necessary details. It's crucial to pay attention to the shipping options during checkout. If available in your area, you might find express shipping as a selection under the shipping options section. This is perfect if you're eager to receive your goods sooner rather than later. However, do note that express shipping may not always be available depending on your location. If it's an option, simply click on it, and you'll see the updated shipping costs reflected in your order summary. And there you have it. Once you've selected your preferred shipping option and reviewed all your purchase details, go ahead and complete the checkout process. Ensure that you've double-checked your shipping address and payment information to avoid any mishaps. With these simple steps, you're done and ready to receive your Shein purchase in no time. I hope this guide helps you enjoy a smooth and satisfying shopping experience.